America? Tom Hand here in the Americana Corner. Today we're discussing President Washington's call for unity. Washington's farewell address begins with the words, "Friends and fellow citizens," as the president was addressing his words to the people, the true source of sovereignty in America. It begins with Washington stating that his decision to retire from public life does not mean he is any less attached to the country and the American people. The President expresses a debt of gratitude, which I owe my beloved country, for the many honors it has conferred upon me, still more with the steadfast confidence with which it has supported me. Washington discusses the need for America to stay united. He states, "Unity of government is a main pillar in the edifice of your real independence, the support of your tranquility at home, your peace abroad, of your safety, of your prosperity, of that very liberty which you so highly prize." The President reminded Americans that although the country is vast, the different regions are more similar than dissimilar, and one area cannot consider another area its foe. He states, "The name of American, which belongs to you in your national capacity, must always exalt the just pride of patriotism." Washington truly believed all parts of the country benefited the whole, and that the sections were stronger together than apart. Washington also warned about the danger of political parties and their spirit of revenge, which agitates the community and kindles the animosity of one part against another. Washington's appeal for unity in his farewell address was a reminder that the country braved the storm together to create our country, and was a clarion call for Americans to always remain united. Next week, we will discuss Washington's advice to avoid debt and foreign entanglements. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.